Hey guys, Rhett here. What is going on at my client Derek's first Section 8 rental property? Guys, I am so fired up for Derek. This property he bought for $30,000. Rehab here is going to be about $73,000. Section 8 rent here going to be somewhere between $1,400 and $1,500 per month, 100% Section 8 in a fantastic neighborhood. This home used to be owned by a church, so it's filled with stuff. We're gonna walk through it. We are in the process of emptying everything out of here. It's gonna take probably somewhere between 3 and 4 dumpster loads to get everything out of here. And then we're gonna rebuild a lot of the stuff on the inside. So we're gonna walk through it. It is a big, big house. It's a 2-story house. I usually don't have clients buy 2-story homes unless the condition of the structure and the exterior is very strong. In this case, it is. But even so, here we're adding bedrooms, we're adding bathrooms, we're adding laundry rooms, we're doing a ton of stuff on the inside, as well as all the necessary cosmetic stuff. We are doing electrical, we are doing plumbing, we are doing a lot of stuff, mechanicals inside, new HVAC unit, everything like that. Let's walk through and talk about it a little bit. But before we do, I really want you to consider this, guys. I'm getting calls every single week from a lot of people who are trying to invest out of state and really getting themselves into bad spots. Remember, this is extremely hard to do if you don't have a team. If you do not have the right people by your side helping you every step of the way, it is impossible to be successful doing this on your own and without a team. If you are looking for a team, you want to use me and my team, send me an email in the description below. We'll get you started and we'll do this thing hand in hand to get you the property that you wanted, to get you the passive income that you wanted, so you can leave the 9 to 5, so you can leave the grind that you're on and get into something that's going to help you a lot more, move to the future and move into financial freedom. So let's walk through it, okay guys, and we'll talk about it. So getting a little noisy out there. What you'll realize is, this is a strong door. So guys, this was a storage facility, maybe at one point even a daycare for a church. Right now we're standing in a small living room. Of course, you guys know how I feel about ceiling fans. We're going to take all the ceiling fans down. We have wallpaper. Everything in here is going to be ripped down and repainted. An old camp, the Wonder Book Camp House, and it's a Bible verse on there. There's a lot of games. Looks like an old cornhole or oh, it's one of those things that you put your face through. Anyway, I'm sorry. Every time I walk through this house, I just find new things I want to look at. So anyway, we have our living room right here. Now, huge living room. There is some wasted space. So what we are going to do is we're going to build a wall from here to here. Put a door right here. This is going to be bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 1 has its own master bathroom off of it, which is very nice. Now, when we think about doing stuff like that, we always ask ourselves, and you guys hear me talk about it all the time, okay, if we take a significant amount of square footage away from the living area of the home, what is that going to do? Are we going to deal with a home now that isn't as nice to live in or doesn't flow as well because we just sacrificed significant living space for extra income in the form of another bedroom? Here, the answer is no, because we still have a good-sized living room. We add a really good-sized master bedroom to the first floor. Now we add a lot more value to the home as well. So we walk through, and so you'll have a wall right here. You'll be able to walk through the kitchen, come through the kitchen, and here we are. Now, beat up, old, needs a ton of work, ceiling's gross, floor's gross, tons of weight in here, all this junk everywhere. We have this old storage room, maybe a study office at one point. We're gonna rip all this stuff out and we are going to create a breakfast nook. So this is going to be our little dining area, breakfast nook area, and it'll widen up a lot more once we take all this crap out of here, okay? So as we continue to walk through here, guys, you can see what kind of shape a lot of this stuff is in. Super, super soft floor. You can see, I mean, people try to tape it up. It's a ton of drywall work needed here. And then as we walk off the back of this house, so this was an old addition that you can see is separating a little bit. We are gonna redo this the right way. And what we're gonna do here, guys, is we are gonna turn this into a huge bathroom laundry room. So take all this crap out of here. We got to re-support the floor. We got to re-support the wall. We have to fix the roof and the wall line where water is penetrating significantly and redo this entire room. So this is going to be bathroom number 2. You saw bathroom number 1 off of the master right off of the living room. This is going to be the second bathroom. It's going to be a full bathroom, and we'll have a really, really nice area for washer, dryer hookups, and right off the kitchen, which is nice. So it's not going to be in the kitchen. People will have their own room to do all their laundry, as well as a huge master. So as we come back into the kitchen, we're going to move our way through and head upstairs. Now, one thing to note, one thing we always try and do, and you have to think that with everything we do, every action has a reaction, or everything that we change in a home, it creates an effect. So when we take this wall and we wall this off, essentially what we have now done is we have taken a bathroom that guests use when they come over, and we've now put that in a master bathroom or a master bedroom. Yes, it is a master bathroom, but now when people come over, no one's going to feel comfortable walking through the bedroom to get to that bathroom. And if this is your bedroom, you don't want people walking through it to go to the bathroom who come over to watch a football game, right? So part of our thought in adding that bathroom to the back half of the house, the laundry room and bathroom to the back half of the house, is now when we eliminate this bathroom from people coming over and from guests and from commonplace and common area, we now have a bathroom for people to use. So you have to always be thinking, okay, if I eliminate this from guests, okay, now we have this, because we still want this to be a place that families congregate, people come over, and a place that people feel welcome, because those are the homes that people stay in for 20, 30 years. If you can create a rental property that the people who live here are proud of the product, they're proud of where they live, they like having people over, they like entertaining, they're going to stay here for a long time. So people who sometimes buy rental properties, they say, okay, what's the minimum number I can just get into it for? What's the minimum I can spend? I just want to be in it and out of it. Well, that's why you don't have tenants that stay a long time. You have to spend money, you have to be smart if you want to keep people in the units for a long time. If you don't and you want fast turnover, yes, go into a unit, say, okay, what's the bare minimum? I don't care about doing this, I don't care about doing that. What's the bare minimum I can spend? Okay, that's what I want to spend. And then you do it, and then you're surprised why your tenant moves out in 2 years. So you have to be smart, you got to do things the right way, okay? So as we walk back through the living room, we got to put a railing right here. So have to have a railing. We'll install a railing here, and then as we go upstairs, we have some pretty significant rot on this top step that is actually causing some issues in, as you can see right there, some structural issues in that top landing. So we have to redo this top landing. Now, at the top of the stairs, we're going to start changing up some things. We're doing some things a little differently. So right now, there are 2 bedrooms up here and a common area behind me. We are going to take this door, which is the door to this bedroom, we're going to flip-flop it. So this door is going to open into the bedroom, okay? You might be saying to me, Rhett, what's the relevance of that? And I'll tell you in a minute. But we have a big bedroom in here, really nice bedroom. Needs to be totally emptied out, all new flooring, all new paint, new light fixtures, new electrical, new ceiling tiles, everything that needs to be done in here. Now, what we're then going to do, you guys have now stepped into bedroom number 3. So bedroom number 3 is going to have a little bit of a different layout. So when we were over here, we talked about turning this door to open the other way. What we're then going to do is put a door, ironically, there's a door here. There's going to be, we're going to knock this out right here. So this wall is going to come out, and we're going to put a door here, which is going to open into bedroom number 3. So we're going to eliminate that door and create a door here to walk into bedroom number 3. Now behind you, you have another bathroom. So off of this bathroom, bedroom, you have another bathroom, which we are going to make a lot nicer than it is. Okay? A lot of storage. I mean, they used every inch of this place. So you'll have bedroom number 3 right here. And then, if you can imagine a door here, we're going to eliminate this wall, put a wall right here, and then a door right here opening up. So when you come up to the top of the stairs, you'll have a door on your right, a door on your left, and another door on your right here to go bedroom 1, 2, 3 on the second floor. So bedroom number 4, you'll come up here and you'll be in bedroom number 4. Now bedroom number 4 as well needs just about everything. It needs a lot of junk packed out of it, all new flooring, all new paint, new ceiling, drop ceiling tiles, and just about everything else. Guys, homes like this have a ton of opportunity. A lot of investors, the mistake they make is they see a house like this, they go, yeah, it looks really good, and they buy it. And then when you take the junk out, you realize, oh my goodness, there is so much more work here than I expected, because it was all covered up. You couldn't see 80% of the wall space. You couldn't see 60% of the floor space. That is a huge, huge problem for beginning investors and people who are learning how to judge rehabs and judge value when they look at properties online that they're considering buying, especially out of state. And that's why having such a good construction team is so important. When we send our contractors out to these units for our clients, that's one of the main things they look for. So they're going underneath the homes. They're walking around the foundations to see where there might be issues. They're pumping up these ceiling tiles to see what's underneath. So you got to make sure you're thorough, and you got to make sure that you have a team that understands what you're trying to do, that you trust, and that you enjoy working with. Guys, like I said, if you need a team, send me an email in the description below. We'll get you started. We'll get you on the path to where you need to be. And as always, if you have questions, comments, leave them, and I'll get back to all of them. We'll see you next time.